Yes, that's right. You can earn money by simply just sitting at home, laying in your bed, and even potentially being able to quit your 9-to-5 job while earning passive income. Make sure that you pay close attention and watch this entire video all the way to the end so you know exactly what you need to do to make money with this method. But before we get into today's video, please subscribe and like this video and click the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new video about how to make money online. Okay, let's get back to the video. So the first site that we're going to look at today will be Quora.com. And I know that you might be thinking that you're going to have to answer questions, but that's not the case. This is different, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. First, we're going to go ahead and sign up for a free account. So we'll go ahead and click here on Google and use a Gmail account of ours. If you don't have a Gmail account, that's fine. You can just log in with any email that you like. And then after that's completed, you will now have your brand new Quora account. And if you're unfamiliar with what Quora is, it's basically just an online community of people providing answers to questions. And you will not be doing that yourself because you are here to make money. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. And it is very possible to do this. You just have to put in a little bit of work and follow all of the steps in this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is click up here where it says Spaces. After that, you'll click on See All Spaces right here. And then after that, you're going to click on Create a Space. And a space is essentially just a group, similar to a Facebook group, but on Quora. And these spaces on Quora get visited about 20 million times a month. So you are going to create your very own space. So the niche that we're going to focus on is the manifestation and meditation niche. The reason why we're going to choose this niche is because it's making a lot of people a lot of money, and that's exactly what we want to help you do too. So for the title, what we're going to put is Manifest What You Want Right Now. And if this title isn't available, then you can just title something very similar to this, like Manifest What You Want Overnight, or Manifest What You Want Today. So next, you will want to put the description, and this is very important. Basically, Quora has a new algorithm making this a new powerful part of creating a space. When anyone searches something on Quora, based on what you wrote here in the description, as well as in the title, your space or group will come up. So I'll show you exactly how this works. In the description, we're going to put keywords like manifest, meditation, law of attraction, success, etc. So whatever word or words you are trying to dominate, you want to make sure that you have them in the title as well as the description. But in the description, you can have many words that you can dominate for when people search on Quora. So after you've added a title and description, then you can just click on Create right here. And then just like that, you have your own space or group. So you can change your background photo and your profile picture on your own. And then this next step right here is very important, so make sure you pay attention here because most people will just try and skip through the video and miss out on the important stuff. So go to Google and search How to Manifest. Then click on a link that looks educational and related to your Google search. Scroll down a bit and find the first section of the article, copy it, and then go over to a website called QuillBot and paste it in right here. QuillBot essentially rewrites any text that you paste into it, then gives you a rewritten version of that text. And with the free version of QuillBot, you get about 150 characters at a time, so we'll just do 150 at a time. And the reason we're doing this is because we want to answer a question that people have on Quora that's related to this topic. So in our space, we will create a post asking how to manifest fast, because this is what people are wanting to know the answer to on Quora. After that, we will click on Post, and then it'll show up right here. Then, we'll go back to QuillBot and paraphrase our text that we copied from the article that we found on Google. So just click on Paraphrase right here, and QuillBot will produce a rewritten version of this text that we copy and pasted from that article we found on Google. After I've done that, then I'll copy this rewritten text go back to the question I posted on my Quora space and comment on it to answer the question. So this process is extremely important because this is what's called populating your space. Basically, all the text and the information that I post in here will come up when people search anything related to what I'm talking about. You want people to come to your group or space, so this is how you can take advantage of the algorithm. You want to make sure that the keyword you're trying to dominate in your question is related to the answer that you commented on your post. So you're probably thinking to yourself by now, how do I get paid? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly what you need to do next. You're going to head over to a website called digistore24.com. Digistore24.com is an affiliate marketing website, and we are going to be promoting an affiliate product in our space on Quora. So we'll just type in manifestation in the search bar, click on search, and then scroll until we find a manifestation-related product for us to promote and earn commissions with. If you don't have an account, that's totally fine. You just need to click on the button on the top right corner that says register now and fill out all of your personal information so you can start promoting products as an affiliate. It's also completely free to create your own account. So after you've created your account and logged in, you will just want to go up here to the top and click on Marketplace. Then you'll just type in manifestation in the search bar, click on search, and then scroll until you find a manifestation-related product for you to promote and earn commissions with. After you've found your product that you'd like to promote, you will copy the affiliate link for the product. Then you will go to bit.ly.com where you will create a new custom shortened link. So just paste your affiliate link from Digistore24 and click on shorten. Now you have your new shortened affiliate link. The reason why you want to create a new custom link is because now you're able to share this link on other sites. You can't do that if you just have a Digistore24 link. So now, what we're going to do is create a new post on our Quora space so we can add this new bit.ly affiliate link. So we're going to go back to Google, create a new Google search like how to manifest today, then scroll down a bit and click on a link that looks good to us. So we will click on this one, and what we're going to do is copy a section of the article that looks good, go back to QuillBot, and paste it in so we can have a new paraphrased version. And remember, we can only have up to 400 characters, so we have to make sure that we trim some if we have too much text in here. So after we do that, we'll just click on paraphrase, and now we get a new rewritten version of the text that we pasted in. And remember, the reason we do this is that this keeps us from plagiarizing so we don't get in any copyright issues. And if we get in trouble with plagiarizing, then you won't be able to make any money. So this is a very important step. So we're just going to copy this new rewritten text, go back to Quora, and paste it into our post. But before we actually post it, we're going to add something to it. Right here, I'm going to type fastest way to manifest your dreams, and then add the shortened bit.ly affiliate link. So we'll go back to bit.ly, copy the link, and paste it right here on our post. We can also make this stand out a bit more by bolding this part, and then we click post. So whenever people read this post, they see this clickable link that will give them the answer to the fastest way to manifest your dreams. You have complete control here because this is your space and your group with your post and your affiliate link, so you can start earning commissions and make money online. That's why having this space or group is so powerful. Essentially, what you're doing is that you're providing people value within this niche and then including your affiliate link that will also provide value while also earning you money. So let's say 10 or more people click on this and buy the product from your affiliate link. If we go back to Digistore24 and see how much you can earn per commission with 10 people or more buying this, that means you'll be earning several $100s just from a simple post where you didn't even do any of the writing or work yourself. And what's amazing is that once you create this post, it'll stay there indefinitely, meaning that every new person who comes onto your space and clicks on that link and buys, you will earn a commission. So this is essentially a form of passive income that will potentially put money in your pocket every single day. So all you need to do is just repeat this process. Keep creating posts with value related to your niche and adding an affiliate link to answer people's problems and help them find solutions so you can earn commissions. You will want to repeat the process that I showed you where you find an article on Google, copy a section from it, and then paste it onto QuillBot so you can get a new rewritten version of that section to then post on your Quora space. And then the most important part is adding your Digistore 24 affiliate link for people to click and buy so you can start earning commissions. This process takes very little work and is something that you can do over and over again so you can start earning money consistently. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video and learned a lot, please click on the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't already. Also, make sure that you click on the notification bell so you are notified immediately every time we post a brand new video on how to make money online. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, click on this video right here.